Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Kwikset lock code in 2026. So first of all, you need to start going to the inside part of the lock and removing the battery cover. Now behind the battery cover, you will see this type of program button over here. So it is used for managing the user codes and resetting the lock settings. So before making any of the changes, you need to keep the door open and unlocked as well. So if you still know the current programming settings, you just have to simply press and hold this particular power button, and then you need to follow the code removal process for the smart code model. Removing old codes first helps prevent conflicts, and it will also ensures only active users can access the code. So you need to simply press and hold this particular power button once again in order to enter into the programming mode. Now once you press it on top of your lock, you just have to simply start entering your new user code. Then when you are done, you just have to simply press this particular lock icon in order to save it. If the keypad flashes green or if it beeps once, it simply means that the new code was accepted successfully. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.